Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make nachos cheese at home. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need about 8 ounces of your favorite cheese, like cheddar or Monterey Jack, 1/4 cup of milk, and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. These basic components are the foundation for a rich, creamy sauce. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable, ensuring a delicious outcome for your next snack. Now let's get cooking. In a small saucepan, whisk together your milk and cornstarch over medium heat. Keep stirring until it starts to gently bubble and thicken, which usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes. Then, slowly add your shredded cheese, a little at a time, continuing to stir until it's completely melted and smooth. This gradual addition helps prevent the cheese from clumping, creating a perfect base. The key to a truly great nacho cheese is its smooth, creamy texture. Keep your heat low to avoid overcooking the cheese, which can make it oily or grainy. Continue stirring gently until the sauce reaches your desired consistency. If it seems too thick, just add another 1 or 2 tablespoons of milk until it's perfect. This careful attention ensures a luxurious, pourable cheese sauce every time. Your homemade nacho cheese is now ready to enjoy. Pour it generously over a pile of crispy tortilla chips. For an extra kick, consider adding some sliced jalapenos or a sprinkle of fresh cilantro. If you have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator. When reheating, gently warm it on the stovetop with a splash of milk to restore its creamy texture for up to 3 days. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.